Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking. I'm David.
And I'm Olivia. Hi, everyone. Great to be here.
Yes, today we have a very interesting topic.
Ooh, I love interesting topics. What is it?
Today we are talking about city life versus country life.
City versus country. Ooh, this is going to be fun.
I think so too. This is a big debate.
Debate. This means a discussion with different opinions.
Exactly. Some people love the city. Some people love the country.
Yes, it's a big choice. Where do you want to live?
That's the question. But first, everyone listening.
Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. Give us a like.
And share with your friends. Let's learn English together.
Perfect. Okay, Olivia, let's start. City or country? Which do you prefer?
Ooh, that's a hard question. I think I prefer the city.
The city, really? Why?
Because the city is exciting. There are so many things to do.
Like what? What things?
Restaurants, cafes, shopping malls, movie theaters, museums.
That's true. The city has everything.
Everything. I love going to different restaurants, trying new food.
You do love food.
I do. And the city has restaurants from all over the world. Italian, Chinese, Mexican, Japanese.
So many choices.
Yes, I love choices. What about you, David? Do you like the city?
I like the city, but I also like the country.
You like both? You can't decide?
No, I like good things about both. But if I have to choose, I think I prefer the country.
The country? Why?
Because the country is peaceful. It's quiet. No noise.
Peaceful. This means calm and quiet.
Yes, in the country, you can hear birds singing. You can hear the wind.
That sounds nice, but isn't it boring?
Boring? No, it's relaxing. The city is too stressful.
Stressful? Why?
Because the city is noisy. So much noise. Cars, buses, people talking.
Noisy. Noisy. This means loud, lots of sound.
Yes, the city is very noisy and crowded.
Crowded. This means too many people.
Exactly. The city is always crowded. People everywhere.
But I like that. I like seeing people. It makes me feel alive.
You like crowds? Really?
Yes. I don't like being alone. The country is too quiet for me.
Too quiet? For me, it's perfect.
We are very different.
Very different. Okay, let's talk about traffic.
Traffic. Oh no. I hate traffic.
See? The city has terrible traffic.
That's true. Traffic is the worst part of city life.
In the country, there's no traffic. The roads are empty.
Empty? This means no cars? No people?
Yes, you can drive fast. No waiting.
That's nice. But in the city, you don't need a car.
You don't need a car? Why?
Because there's public transportation. Buses, trains, metro.
Public transportation. This means buses and trains for everyone.
Exactly. In the city, I take the metro everywhere. Very convenient.
Convenient. This means easy and comfortable.
Yes, but in the country, you need a car for everything.
That's true. The supermarket is far. The hospital is far. Everything is far.
See? The city is more convenient.
Maybe, but the country has fresh air.
Fresh air. This means clean air, good for breathing.
Yes, in the city, the air is polluted.
Polluted. This means dirty air from cars and factories.
Yes, city air is not healthy, but country air is clean and fresh.
That's true. I do miss fresh air sometimes.
And the country has nature. Trees, flowers, animals.
Nature. This means trees, plants, animals, the natural world.
Yes, I love nature. Green grass, blue sky, birds singing.
That sounds beautiful. But the city has parks.
Parks? City parks are small and crowded.
Maybe, but they're better than nothing.
Haha, true. Okay, what about space? The country has lots of space.
Space. This means room, area.
Yes, in the country, houses are big. You have a big yard, a garden.
A yard. This is the outdoor space around your house?
Yes, you can grow vegetables, have a barbecue, play with your dog.
That sounds nice. But in the city, apartments are small.
Exactly. City apartments are tiny. No space.
Tiny. This means very, very small.
Yes. How can you live in a tiny apartment?
It's not that bad. I don't need a big house.
But don't you want space? Room to move?
Not really. I'm never home anyway. I'm always out.
Always out? Where?
Meeting friends, going to cafes, shopping, watching movies.
See? That's why you like the city. You're a social person.
I am. I love being around people.
And I love being alone. Quiet time.
We are very different.
Very different. Okay, let's talk about city jobs.
City jobs? The city has more jobs than the country.
Yes, there's more opportunity in the city. But I have a question. What about work-life balance?
Work-life balance. This means finding a good mix between work and personal time.
Yes, I think it's easier to have a good work-life balance in the country.
Why?
Because the country is more relaxing, less stress.
Maybe, but the city has more fun to do after work.
True, but fun can be expensive.
That's true too. The city can be expensive.
Very expensive. In the country, everything is cheaper.
Cheaper. This means not expensive. Low price.
Yes, but the city has more well-paying jobs.
Well-paying jobs. This means jobs that pay a lot of money.
Yes, in the city, you can earn more money.
True, but you have to spend more because the city is expensive.
So is it really better?
I don't know. It's a choice. What do you find more important?
True. What about community? The country has a stronger community.
Community. This means the people who live in the same area.
Yes, in the country, everyone knows each other.
That's nice. but I'm not sure if I want that every day.
Why?
I like to be anonymous sometimes. In the city, you can be anonymous.
Anonymous. This means not known by many people.
Yes. In the city, nobody knows you if you don't want them to.
Actually, that's kind of nice too.
So, it's a choice. Everyone has different preferences.
Right. Fun in the city, but peace in the country.
Making more money, but everything is more expensive.
Exactly. So, everyone listening, what about you?
Yes. City or country? Which do you prefer?
Think about it. We want to know.
Okay, David. I'm getting thirsty. All this talking?
Me too. Should we take a coffee break?
Yes, good idea. Let's take a break.
Okay, everyone, we're taking a short coffee break.
We'll be back in a few minutes.
Don't go anywhere.
See you soon.
Hello, everyone. We're back.
Yes, we're back from our coffee break. That was good coffee.
Very good. I feel refreshed.
Refreshed. This means feeling better with new energy.
Yes. Okay, so everyone, in the first part, we talked about city life versus country life.
Yes, and we had very different opinions.
Haha, we did. You liked the city, I liked the country.
Exactly. But now we're going to talk about something related.
Related. This means connected, similar.
Yes, today we're talking about dream houses.
Dream houses. This means your perfect house, your ideal home.
Exactly. And the question is, apartment or house with a garden?
Ooh, this is a good question.
I know. Let me guess. You want a house with a garden
Haha, of course. How did you know?
because you love the country, you love nature.
That's right. My dream house is a house with a big garden.
Tell me about it. What does it look like?
Okay, so my dream house is in the country, far from the city.
Far from the city, of course.
Yes, it's a big house, 2 floors.
2 floors, this means levels, stories.
Yes, the first floor has a living room, a kitchen, and a dining room.
Nice. What about the second floor?
The second floor has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
3 bedrooms. That's big.
Yes, 1 bedroom for me, 1 for guests, and 1 for maybe an office.
An office for working at home?
Exactly. And the most important part, a big garden.
How big?
Very big, with green grass, flowers, and trees.
That sounds beautiful.
It is. And I want a vegetable garden.
A vegetable garden. This is where you grow vegetables.
Yes, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, fresh vegetables.
That's healthy.
Very healthy. And I want fruit trees, apple trees, cherry trees.
Your own fruit. That's amazing.
I know. And maybe some chickens.
Chickens. The birds that give eggs.
Yes, fresh eggs every morning.
Wow. You really want to live in the country.
I do. What about you, Olivia? What's your dream house?
My dream house? Well, it's very different from yours.
I knew it. Tell me.
My dream house is an apartment in the city in a tall building.
A tall building. How tall?
Very tall. Maybe 20 floors. And my apartment is on the top floor.
The top floor. Why?
Because the view. I want a beautiful view.
View. This means what you see from your window.
Yes, from my apartment, I can see the whole city. The lights at night.
That does sound nice.
It is. And my apartment has big windows, floor-to-ceiling windows.
Floor to ceiling. This means from the floor to the ceiling. Very big.
Yes, lots of natural light.
That's good. What else?
My apartment has a modern kitchen with all new appliances.
Appliances. This means kitchen machines, like refrigerator, oven, dishwasher.
Exactly. Everything is new and shiny.
How many rooms?
2 bedrooms. One for me, one for guests, and 1 bathroom.
Just one bathroom, not two?
1 is enough. I live alone.
That's true. What about a balcony?
Yes, a balcony. A small outdoor space.
Do you want a big balcony?
Not too big. Just enough for a small table and 2 chairs.
For drinking coffee in the morning.
Exactly. Morning coffee with a city view.
That sounds nice, but no garden?
No garden. I don't need a garden.
Why not?
Because gardens are a lot of work. You have to water the plants, cut the grass, pull the weeds.
Weeds. These are bad plants that grow in your garden.
Yes, too much work. I don't have time.
But it's nice to have your own space outside.
I can go to the park. The park is close to my apartment.
That's true. But it's not the same as your own garden.
Maybe, but I prefer convenience.
Convenience. Living in an apartment is convenient.
Very convenient. Everything is close. Restaurants, shops, metro.
That's true. But houses are more private.
Private. This means only for you? No sharing?
Yes, in an apartment, you have neighbors above you, below you, next to you.
That's true. Neighbors can be noisy.
Exactly. But in a house, you have your own space.
Maybe. But I like having neighbors. It makes me feel safe.
Safe. This means protected, not dangerous.
Yes, if something happens, my neighbors can help.
That's a good point.
And apartments have security, a doorman, cameras.
Doorman. This is a person who works at the building entrance.
Yes, the doorman checks who comes in and out.
That's good for security.
Exactly. What about your house, David? Any security?
Well, I want a fence.
A fence. This is a wall around your property.
Yes, to keep my property safe. And maybe a dog.
A dog for protection.
Yes, a big dog like a German Shepherd.
That's a good guard dog.
Exactly. Okay, so we have very different dream houses.
Very different. You want a big house with a garden.
And you want a modern apartment in the city.
Exactly, but both are good.
Yes, everyone has different preferences.
Preferences. This means things you like better.
Exactly. So everyone listening, what's your dream house?
Apartment or house with a garden.
We want to know.
Okay, David, look at the time.
Oh, yes, we need to finish.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for listening.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed our conversation about city life versus country life and apartments versus houses.
These are important topics. Where you live affects your life.
Very true. Please don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
And click the like button.
And we have 2 questions for you today.
Yes, in the comments, tell us, do you prefer city life or country life?
And second question, what's your dream house? Apartment or house with a garden?
Write in English, practice your writing.
We love reading your comments.
Great. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. And remember, there's no right answer. City or country, apartment or house. Choose what makes you happy.
Perfect advice. Bye-bye.